What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we have a lot of things that are moving today, which is always a great deal. It's great to see, fantastic to see the crypto market, green for once. For the last few days, as we were in October, we were realizing a lot of people believe that this is going to be a very positive month. And as you believe it's going to be a positive month, people tend to do the opposite and wait for that explosion before they act. Same thing goes when it's the downside, right? If it's supposed to be a negative month, people wait for that reaction until they act. And if there's no reaction the way that they believe it's going to be, maybe they don't act that way. Maybe they don't decide to sell that position because the market was supposed to fall, or maybe they don't lean into the FOMO because the FOMO's not there. So, in this video, I want to talk about a project that absolutely is running right now, and I think it's going to be worth a lot in the altcoin season and the true bull market when we see the crypto market get up to a 3, 4, 5, $10 trillion market cap, and that is Book of Meme. Now, understand this is a meme coin. This is not anything more than that, but it is not said to be anything more than that. It's not meant for somebody to go, hey, this is going to be worth so much more because of the utility. No, it's about the meme status of it. It's about the popularity of it. And I think you're going to see some major popularity, just like you already have seen with it. So before we get into Book of Meme and what has happened recently, where it stands, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, feel free to check out that link. It's at the top of the description. Feel free to go and trade over there. I believe you can trade BOME, but I'm not 100% sure. You can trade a lot of other meme projects like SHIB or Doge or Bonk, even Pepe. You can trade a lot of those over on Margex at up to a 25x leverage. So if you're interested in leverage trading, check it out. The link to that is in the description. Now, Book of Meme is an investment that I made a while ago. Honestly, I wanted to buy more of it, but I tend to throw my money elsewhere in places that I already have a lot of money, right? And especially ones that have utility. And when it comes to meme coins, I don't necessarily throw a crazy amount of money. The most that I spent on meme coins was Grok, right? Grok I spent $7,000 on. I am currently down on that by like 2,000. I understand that that's going to have a massive move as well, but I've also spent a decent amount on Book of Meme on BOME. I spent about $4,000 on it, which it is slowly getting back to where it was after everything did collapse, everything did come down. But I expect so much more than just the highest point that it did get to. I expect multiple X's above that highest point that it got to. But anyways, I bought a decent amount. We'll go into exactly how much I had. Let me know if you bought any in the comment section below, and if you believe that it's going to have a run, or if you believe that it's not. Let me know in that comment section. But if we look at my watch list, at the top of my watch list, up by 30%. You're going to see Book of Meme is definitely leading the pack compared to everything else that's on my watch list. And we have things like Shiba Inu, we have things like Terra Luna Classic, we have things like Beam and Grok and Joe Biden and MAGA Coin and all of that, right? And this is up by 30.40%. We're also seeing that it was up 44.5% over the last 7 days. I did see it was moving yesterday, even though the market wasn't necessarily as positive until like the end of the day yesterday. We are seeing about a $700 million market cap. Matter of fact, let's go into it, right? Before we go into it, look how much BOME has been traded. You're looking at not only 527 million, you're looking at 57 billion coins that have been traded overall for Book of Meme. $578 million worth of volume. Now, one big reason as to why I like BOME is because of the total supply that's out there and the max supply, and the circulating supply. You're looking at all of the supply that is out there. So you don't have any dilution that's going to happen with it like you did with, or you still do with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu, you now have the max supply that is out there, but throughout that time, you had 300, almost 400, trillion that was out there with still 100 plus trillion left on the table, or even closer to 200 trillion that was left on the table, meaning that you could have that dilution in a massive way. It wouldn't be 100%, but you would definitely see that dilution. We are seeing a $690 million market cap. We did just drop a zero, and BOME just hit 1 penny again. So, again, this is great to see. 1 cent for BOME, and we're seeing it with $578 million worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio is at 82.02%. That is phenomenal, right? That means that you're seeing major popularity for BOME right now, right before your eyes. If we look at the last 7 days, again, it is up by 45%. We've seen some decent movement. Even at this lower level, it's up by even more. But we finally see it drop to zero, and it hasn't done that in quite some time. If we look at the last year, the last time it had that drop zero was in July of 2024. So we're looking at a matter of 3 months ago that this did take place. We saw it above the 1 cent price point, but ever since then it's been kind of hovering at these lower levels. So it's great to see that finally get to those levels, but we want to see a value of 1.5 cents and 2 cents and 3 cents and 4 cents and multiples of that. Because again, a $68 billion market cap, for this to get to a dollar would mean that it would need to get to a 68 or 69 billion dollar market cap. Can BOME do that? Well, we've seen meme coins that have done that. We've seen meme coins that have increased up to a $50 billion market cap. Dogecoin increased up to about a $100 billion market cap. So when something has popularity behind it, when something has people and investors and people that believe in it, we're going to see massive numbers, not just a $1 billion market cap, not just a $700 billion market cap, but a $1.4 billion market cap, or a $28 billion market cap, $2.8 billion, whatever. We're going to see these higher numbers that are multiples of where we stand right now. We are currently at 1 cent. That means to get to about a $70 billion market cap, you would see a 100x from where we are now. Now, if we're looking at what I am holding in my portfolio for BOME, and we're going to scroll down here and we're going to see BOME, which I have 416,000 BOME coins. Yes, I'm down about $568. I have $4,171.35 in BOME currently. And honestly, this is not a bad price to be in on, right? Yes, you could have gotten it for a lot cheaper if you did, get it at, 50% of a penny. But there's so much more upside for something that has as much popularity as BOME truly has. So 416,000 could be $416,000. That sounds amazing to me. I'm sure it sounds amazing to you. Let me know how much BOME you have in your possession. And if you're excited the fact that it did finally drop that zero to get to 1 cent again. And what your price prediction is of BOME, Book of Meme. Now we can get into more of the nitty gritty and why this meme coin is popular, and go into the detail of the website and everything, which there isn't much detail behind that. It's just about the meme. That's what it's about. And it's very simply put. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go and check some other positions, see if I can, talk about something else. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.